Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're breaking down what happens in truancy court. This can be a stressful and confusing experience for both parents and students, so let's clear it up. Truancy is when a student has too many unexcused absences from school. The exact number of days that triggers a court case varies by state and even by school district, but the goal is always to get the student back into the classroom. It's important to know that court is usually the last resort. Before you ever see a judge, the school will typically try several other things first. You'll likely receive warning letters in the mail. The school will try to set up meetings with you, the student, teachers, and a counselor. They want to understand why the absences are happening and create a plan to fix the problem. If none of that works and the absences continue, the school district can then file a petition with the juvenile or family court, which is when you'll receive a summons to appear for a truancy hearing. So, what happens when you get to the courthouse? You'll go into a courtroom where you will see a judge, the student, the parents or guardians, and a representative from the school, like a truancy officer or an administrator. There might also be a court-appointed advocate or a social worker present. The hearing begins with the school representative explaining the situation to the judge. They will present the student's attendance records as evidence of the unexcused absences. After the school has presented its case, the judge will give the student and the parents a chance to speak. This is your opportunity to explain your side of the story. Are there medical issues? Is there a family crisis? Is the student being bullied? Is there a learning disability that makes school difficult? The judge's main job is to figure out the root cause of the truancy. They are not just there to punish, but to find a solution. Based on everything they hear, the judge will make a decision and issue a court order. There are several possible outcomes. First, the judge might order a truancy prevention plan. This is a formal agreement that could include things like mandatory tutoring, family or individual counseling, or a daily check-in at school. Second, the court could place the family under supervision. This means you'll have to come back to court periodically to show the judge that the student's attendance is improving. Third, there can be consequences for the parents. The judge might issue a fine or order the parents to attend parenting classes or perform community service. In some states, for older students, a judge can even order the suspension of their driver's license. In very rare and extreme cases, where there's a pattern of neglect or defiance of court orders, more serious actions could be taken, like a referral to Child Protective Services. The most important thing to remember is that the system is designed to help the student succeed. The best way to avoid truancy court altogether is to communicate with your child's school as soon as attendance problems begin. Work with them to find a solution before it ever has to go before a judge. Thanks for watching our breakdown of truancy court. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more straightforward explanations on important topics. We'll see you in the next video.